Alright, so I have my OP-1 connected to computer via USB. I need to check which channel my OP-1 is on, Shift COM. I have the screen. If I press Shift now, it shows me the MIDI channel the OP-1 is operated on. I have one here. So I open up the app. While it's opening, I would recommend to set your clock settings to sync. So I press this metronome, and then I can select these different settings. So I put it to sync. So OP-1 is synced to the app. Yeah. So then on the app, you need to select MIDI channel, the same one as on OP-1. I have one, so I leave it on one. MIDI output to OP-1 MIDI device. And now when I press spacebar, and I have these sequencers running, it starts playback on OP-1 as well. Yeah, so press play, the metronome keeps going. If I switch to tape, you see I'm controlling the tape with the app, with this app now. Okay, so when you have this going, you need to select this some instrument. I have this one now, and basically then you need to go to LFO and select Shift 4 and select MIDI LFO. So now I have these four controllers. Basically, I'm controlling these four control change parameters with the app. Yeah, you see that they are the same colors as on OP-1. So I can select which sequencer controlling what. So the first thing to do is to switch these to different colors. Yeah, so the blue goes to blue, green to green, and so on. Now all these sequencers are controlling these control change parameters, and I can assign them to different parameters of the thing. If you hold Shift and then turn the, I'm holding Shift now, and I turn this the knobs, so I can switch the parameters to control with these sequencers. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Well, I'm gonna use a few of them. So now, if I go back to the synth, the blue button is gonna be controlling the blue knob is controlling the blue parameter. If I press the sequencer, like press spacebar on computer, and I increase the speed, for example, of the sequencers, so they're running a little bit faster, and I press, I have this modulation going. Yeah. If I go to this screen, you can see these dots are moving. That's because the sequencers, the step sequencers on the app are controlling these parameters. If I switch the MIDI LFO off, nothing happens. They're still running, the sequencers, but I switched it off on OP-1, so nothing happens. If I turn it back on, I have this stuff going. So basically, this is how you set up OP-1 to work with an app. But there is no sound initially coming from the app. It's just to control OP-1. Hope that